Welcome back to another crispy dilly tutorial. Today I'll be taking all of you fellow crispies through the journey that is Midjourney AI art. Alright, anyway, so I'm going to show you how to get started. It's really easy. First, go to midjourney.com, and then right here you'll see join the beta. Click on that, and that will take you to a little authorization thing where you just authorize your current Discord account that's logged in, and that'll connect your account to the Discord channel. So then it'll take you to Discord right here. Actually, it'll take you to the server Discord, and over here on the left side, you want to click on Getting Started. And right here, it has all those basic instructions I kind of already posted in the in our server. And I'll just go through that really quickly once more. Right here, obviously it says to start, go to one of the newbie bot channels, which is over here under newcomer rooms. They'll be random. Just click on any of those, it doesn't matter. And then to get started, I'm going to go through the rest of the instructions that I'm going to show you in the custom. Like, I'm going to go to my custom Midjourney bot in my direct messages since I'm a subscriber. So pretend this is one of the newbie channels, except there'll be a bunch of people, going through and posting shit or whatever. But basically, go down to where you type a message and type in imagine, and then you'll be able to enter any prompt you want. It can be as detailed or simple as you like. But for this example, I guess I'll use I don't know. Cat. What was that? The cat with tuxedo dancing thing? I don't know. Cat with tuxedo dancing. And then, I don't know, a couple other descriptors. You can do something like on stage and smoky fog. Oops. And then let's do like, I don't know, yellow and orange hues. Studio Ghibli style. Photorealistic, even though those kind of contradict each other, so don't pay attention. And as simple as that, you just hit enter. And some, I mean, this was just a random one that I just came up with really quickly on the fly, so it's probably going to come out with some weird things. It's probably just going to give me a tuxedo cat. That's funny. So yeah, like it said, it takes a minute, and you'll see over here on the side, it's got the percentage of how done it is with the final 4 images. And once it's done, it will show up again. Like when you're in the newcomer room, it's going to get lost in the different posts of people posting. But once it's done, it'll reappear at the bottom of the chat. So just kind of pay attention to that whenever it happens, or you can follow it and then it'll disappear and, like I said, reappear at the bottom of the chat. So just scroll all the way down when that happens. So yeah, we're almost done. Okay, here we go. So here are our 4 images that it gave us. And obviously you'll never get exactly what you're kind of like trying to get. It's going to be a lot of weird stuff. But so then from these 4 options, like a book from top to bottom, left to right, we'll see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Those correlate down here where the U means upscale. So if you like a picture already, you can upscale it to full resolution and then make adjustments from there, or you can make variations. So let's say I really like this first one. It's really interesting and cool. But I want to see what else can come from it. So I'm going to go ahead and press V1, and don't pay attention to that. This is a remix thing that I have turned on in my settings. But, when you just click V1, it'll automatically start making variations of that very first one, that top left one. And so you can see now that it's starting to make them based off of this frame and the structure of the picture. And now you can see there are a whole bunch of different versions or whatever. And now let's say, oh, I really, really like, I'll do the bottom left because that one's fun. And I'm like, oh, that's a good picture. I want to see what it looks like at resolution, full detail, all that stuff. So I'm going to hit upscale 3 since that's the bottom left. It'll take a minute. And when you upscale an image, or let me take it a step back. Every single time you do an input like this, whether it's clicking on a variation or an upscale or a new prompt, it counts as one of your inputs. And on your free trial, you get 25 free inputs. So just know that every single time you get the bot to do something, basically, it's going to count as one of those inputs. But once it's fully upscaled, you'll actually have a couple other options, which will all count as inputs as well. When that happens, I'll show you. But there are going to be some like redo options, like light, detail, upscale, redo, beta, upscale, redo, and like a remaster kind of thing. All those give you like different versions of this picture itself. And I'm going to show you what remaster does specifically, because light scale, upscale, redo, or whatever, that just redoes this picture but with fewer details. Beta, upscale, redo kind of takes a different take on the image and gives you something a little bit different. Upscale to max gives you the maximum possible resolution. I think it's like 8K or something like that. It's huge. This comes out at like 4K as it is, as the original upscale. But remaster, I really like remaster because it starts to take your image and kind of give you a more defined, a more creative version of your image. And it ends up becoming a lot better in certain cases. Like already kind of weird. It's from remastering. It's interpreted this smoky cloud as another cat. So, you know, it's fun and it's neat, but the cat and the tuxedo in the back's already turning out much better, and I do like that. So something I would probably do is just try it again. I would remaster it again, or make variations of this, upscale again, variations, remaster. It's just kind of playing with it. You know, you can do on one of these, you can do like upscales of all, versions of all, that kind of thing. You can make variations, upscale to max, do a beta, upscale, redo, and remaster. Like you can do as much as you want. And even then, if you've already done like a variation of like, let's say you did V2 right here, you can do it again over and over and over from this original take on the image or whatever. So that's kind of the idea behind doing this. The end. Bye.